Before we paint together on Friday, I want to point out something that makes this bear much easier to paint than it looks. So this bear works because the shape is clear. I didn't paint the fur, I didn't paint details. I focused on just getting the overall shape working first. And once the shape works, then your brain, it just fills in all the rest. That's why you can recognize this as a bear almost immediately. Your brain already knows what a bear looks like. It doesn't need to be convinced with detail. And when you're painting, here's the question that I want you to ask yourself early on. Does this read as a shape yet? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. If the answer is no, then adding more detail won't fix it. It just makes things more complicated. And on Friday, we're going to be building this bear in simple shapes first and adding the details later. And if you want to join us, it's all happening this Friday live inside letsdabble.com, inside our club. And I can't wait to step you through just how easy and fun painting a bear can be. All right, join us. We'll see you this Friday.